ZACKEES turn signal gloves don't exactly totally change the relation between safety and style, but they do sway the balance. And besides, you're trying to stay out of the grill of a Mack truck, not impress hipster chicks. Right? With 9 ultra-bright LEDs comprising each arrow, there's no way any driver will miss your righteous fist of sheer the damn road fury. And with the way the arrows are positioned, you can even leave your hands on your handlebars to signal forward to drivers ahead of you that you're turning useful at those 4-way stops, where confusion reigns. Holding out the right hand initially felt awkward to this cyclist, who was raised to signal everything with his left. But it's legal and technically correct, I discovered with a little research. The hyperactive triggers can be a little harder to adjust to. It's easy to click them together accidentally if you're using your hands for anything but holding handlebars, so I set off the lights all the time as I packed my saddlebag and locked up my bike. It's not the end of the world, but prepare for plenty of unwanted bike rack conversations with spandex sporting passersby. Top-notch materials and well-stitched seams give these gloves admirable construction. For a Kickstarter project they feel like they'll last. The LED circuit board sits comfortably under a layer of clear plastic on the back of the hand, with a little access slit inside to change the button cell batteries. The padded palms even do a nice job of blocking road vibration. But the half-finger design makes them tricky to take on and off, and here in crispy Portland, they don't really provide enough warmth for riding outside the summer months.